In this video, I'm going to be providing you with the Hostinger VPS hosting coupon code that will get you a Hostinger discount on Hostinger VPS hosting. I'll be providing you with a Hostinger promo code to enter at checkout that will save you money no matter what Hostinger VPS hosting plan you choose. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get the Hostinger VPS discount so you can save some extra money on your Hostinger VPS hosting purchase. To get your Hostinger VPS hosting coupon code discount, click the link below in the description. I provide the Hostinger promo code to enter at checkout with the link. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostinger VPS hosting plans page. Scroll down and you'll see all the different Hostinger VPS hosting plans. Something to keep in mind is the Hostinger promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted. Once you find a Hostinger VPS hosting plan to go with, hit the select button. I'm going to choose the VPS 1 plan for this tutorial. You'll see the terms you can choose with the discounted amounts. Let's add in the Hostinger promo code to save even more than what is showing here. Scroll down to the total section and where it says have a coupon code, click this and enter the promo code I provide in the description with the link. Once you click the plus icon, scroll back up to the top, you'll see the additional savings you'll be saving. Next, fill out the rest of the details like your email, payment information, and click the Submit Secure Payment button. You'll be able to choose your domain name after you finish checking out with Hostinger if you'd like one. That is all there is to it. You've taken advantage of the Hostinger VPS hosting coupon discount. Thanks for watching, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.